Good morning. Welcome to distance learning. I just wanted to go over a couple of things so that you can know and understand what kind of is going on as far as your algebra class is going on. First of all, I hope you guys are doing great. I'm coming to you from our brand new house. We just moved in last Thursday, so we've been busy the last couple of weeks trying to move while not talking or seeing to anyone. So it's been an adventure. Um, but a couple of things. I want to make this short and sweet so I don't waste any more of your time. As far as distance learning goes in Algebra 1, your assignments will be on Oasis each and every Monday morning. I will have them posted by 8 a.m. every Monday morning. Sometimes they'll be posted Sunday evenings, depending on what's going on and that kind of stuff. But every Monday they will be on Oasis, where you will be able to access them. Um, uh, they will all have submissions where you can submit them on Oasis, where you can either take a picture of, if you want to do it on a piece of notebook paper or scratch paper, and take a picture of that and submit the picture as your submission. Or if you just want to type the answers into Oasis, that's good too. I can check both of them that way. So this week is a little bit different, just so that we can all kind of get used to what's going on. This week, I just did a review assignment. It's 32 questions. Um, Basically, the way the district has asked us to set this up is we're supposed to give you two targets or two assignments every week. Moving forward, subsequent weeks, we will have one of the targets will be something review, one of the concepts we've done previous in the year, and then the second target will be something new. In Algebra 1, what we'll be talking about first is geometric sequences, which we talked about the algebraic sequences where you add a number to each number before it to get the new number. Well, geometric sequences is basically the same as just multiplying instead of adding. So we'll do that first, and then we're going to talk about polynomials and how to add and subtract and multiply and divide polynomials, and we'll work through that for the last probably 4 weeks, the 3 to 4 weeks that we have left together, and the sequences will be the first two. This week is just review. You'll find that assignment is already on Oasis, so you can jump on that and do that. Either way, this week it's just one assignment. I made a long assignment, so basically target 1 is going to be questions 1 through 14, and then target 2 is going to be questions 15 through 32. Basically, how grading is going to work. If you do one target, then you get credit for that target. If you do both targets, you get credit for both targets. How that is going to be applied to your grade is still being determined by the district. One of the ideas was that if you do 6 of the targets throughout this 6 weeks, then your grade will be able to go up 1 letter grade. If you do all 12 of the targets over this time period, then your grade could go up 2 letter grades. So let's say you're sitting at a 62 right now. If you would do all 12 of the targets, all 12 of the assignments that I'm going to give you over the next 6 weeks, and then potentially your grade could go up to a B. So if you're failing right now, your grade could go up to a C, so on and so forth. So that's how grading is going to work. If you do the work, please submit your scratch work so that I see that you're actually doing the work. It's going to be really tempting for you guys to cheat on these assignments. I understand that. You don't have any oversight. You don't have anybody over your shoulder. You don't have me checking and that kind of stuff. Our goal is not to get the correct answers submitted. Our goal is to make sure that you know and understand how to do this so that you get the correct answers and so that I can help you correct things that you do wrong. You're going to need these concepts for geometry next year. So please show your work, do your work, so that I can correct any mistakes that you make. You're not going to be taken off for doing work wrong, but please do your best to show that. Expectations. My expectations are communicate. Make sure that I know where you're at. If you're doing the work, great. Then send me an email, shoot me an email, say, hey, Coach Abel, I'm doing great. I'm fine. I don't need any help. Um, we're being asked to reach out and contact you at least 2 times a week. So I will probably send out an email to each class sometime early in the week, Monday or Tuesday. Um, and then I'm planning on doing several Google Hangouts for Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 throughout the week. I will post those times on Oasis. They'll be in the link will be in the agenda on Oasis whenever that is going to happen on the day that it's going to happen, so that you can jump on there, ask any questions, and have some interaction with people that are not me, or not your family, or not the people that are at your house. So that's how that will work. As far as the Google Hangouts go, typical. You'll see this behind me. That's actually my wife's poster. We're going to be sharing the office because she's a teacher too, so she's going to be doing Google Hangouts with her classes as well. So I'm not going to go over do's and don'ts with you guys. You're not fifth graders, but please keep it respectful. Don't do anything that would be stupid. So those are the expectations that I have for you guys. And basically, the best expectation I have for you is make the best of this. I'm going to do everything that I can to provide you all the resources that you need. As far as calculators, we're working on trying to get a calculator very similar to the ones that I have in my classroom, green lighted to be able to download onto your Chromebook browsers. That has not come through yet. We're supposed to get an update today on whether or not that's going to be possible. So hopefully that will. If not, I will have another resource that you'll be able to have, because I know several of you want and need calculators to do some of these assignments. So that'll be available somehow, some way. I just don't know how that's going to work out just yet. But by Wednesday, we'll have that worked out for you, hopefully. So if you have any questions, communication, email me. More often the better. If you have questions, if you have concerns, if you just want to reach out, email me. You guys have my email address. We'll probably be doing a Google Hangout sometime today. I'll post that on Oasis as soon as I have it set up. So look forward to talking to you guys, and have a great week.